So it's a cold winter day, and here at Honest Abe Living in the kitchen, we're gonna bring to you a really fun hot chocolate recipe that we're gonna do with a crock pot. So it'll slow kind of cook all day, and it'll be such a nice, warm, rich chocolate flavor for you and your entire family. So come on, let's get started on our crock pot hot chocolate on this cold winter day. So our first step is we actually have to cut some chocolate, and we actually need 6 ounces of chocolate, and I really love Lindt. I splurged on this chocolate, but it's the 70% cocoa. This is one of my favorite chocolates, so we're gonna chop it up so it'll be ready. It just kind of helps it to melt in the crock pot instead of doing it whole. So just kind of roughly chop up your chocolate, and that is just our first step, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna put my crock pot on low, and it's gonna take 3 cups of milk, whole milk. Whole milk is definitely the best for this recipe. So 3 cups of it. We're gonna do 1 cup of heavy cream. 1 cup of heavy cream. All right, and then you do 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna add that 6 ounces of chocolate that we roughly cut up. All right, then we got 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We also have 1 tablespoon of cocoa. And then just a pinch of salt. And then we're just gonna try to mix that up in the crock pot. I use a whisk, just kind of helps get all of that smooth. It might take a couple of minutes, but then all is well, and it's better to whisk it every 45 minutes, but just keep it on low for about 2 hours, and it's gonna make a wonderful hot chocolate, and we can't wait to come back to you. We'll have a little hot cocoa bar. That's always fun. I have some marshmallows and caramel and peppermint, so we'll be back. All right, so our hot chocolate's ready, and y'all, this is probably the best hot chocolate I've ever had, so I'm really excited for you to hopefully try this recipe. And we talked a little bit about making a little hot cocoa board. Now my little toddler got in it, so it might be a little bit messy, but this is just fun, especially if you have your family over or friends. I've got some of the cups. My favorite is the Honest Abe Log Home coffee cup, but anyway, we've got some caramel, marshmallows, chocolate, some peppermint crushed up, even sprinkles, and our little boy and some of our little cousins, they love to make these little cookies, so we have little cookies that they can also decorate. But this is really some of the best hot chocolate I have ever had. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe and stay warm on this cold winter day.